I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel, and today I am rotating my closet for spring because I'm kind of missing my spring clothes because I think they're more girly and pretty and more me. So without rambling on, let's get into organizing my closet for spring. As you can probably tell, part of my closet is somewhat empty, and that's because I took everything out that I wanted to take out to put it in the laundry to get washed, and I have put some on the bed right here, and I will show you in a second. Some are still drying on the rack and it will not be shown in this video. And part of the reason why I did that is because I am traveling, so by the time you're seeing this video I'm probably traveling. But that kind of gave me an excuse to get everything out, have an overlook over everything, and what I should bring and what should already be in my closet when I get back, kind of helping myself ahead of time, essentially. So that is why it looks somewhat empty. So I do have, usually I have my tops here, I have my winter sweaters, a few jackets, and my pants hang here, and then the dresses towards the back. Then I will be rotating my shoes as well because it's time. Then what we have here is usually I have my winter scarves here, hats and gloves. I have my skirts here, but usually what I do is I bring this spring collection forward and the winter collection towards the back, and I do the same for my shorts, and that is what we will be tackling because my pajama drawer will look exactly the same. So will my sweatpants and my swimsuit and my workout drawer. Everything else will look the same, so this will be somewhat rearranged. So essentially what we have here on the bed are my tops, skirts and shorts, the dresses that are dry. I have one more that is currently drying. I don't have that many dresses. I need to buy more. My jackets, my winter sweaters, and the pants in the back, and I currently am wearing one pair, and I currently have one drying as well. And those clothes need to be organized and put in the closet, but this is like an overview of everything here, nicely organized in each of its sections. I obviously want to start with the tops, and for this I think I would just take out the winter tops and then put them in the drawer, because this is where I kept my spring summer tops during winter, and I think I will move my winter tops there, and then if anything take them out if I need them that way. But let's get into the tops. I don't organize my tops in any specific order. I just hang them, and the reason why I do it this way and I don't color code it or anything like that is because I want to have something different every single day. Because if I color coded it the way I do my winter sweaters, I would be wearing the same color every day until I move on to the next color. This way I will grab whatever top is closest to the drawers, and that will be a part of my outfit. This top actually goes with another top that I have because the other top is see-through. So I will leave one hanger open here for that top when it's done drying. Now, if you have tops that have this, keep them on. As much as you can, keep them on because they will help the clothes hang the right way. These are shorter, so they are meant to go around the head of the hanger. And then you have the longer ones that are supposed to go in the little holes right here or over the top here, depending on your preference. But this way, the clothes will hang quite nicely and they won't stretch, especially with this one that has a elastic in it. think the dress will be the next because I only have one dress here. And the dresses I like to keep somewhat color organized because I don't have that many dresses. I don't wear dresses every single day. And I do want to buy more, but it depends on what's in at the season. This season, if they have pretty dresses in pretty colors where I live. I don't like to buy online because of sizing. Sizing is always a problem because I have long legs and I'm skinny, so that's never easy. Then I have my skirts and my shorts, and I do have a few skirts and shorts that I consider all year, and then I have a few that is considered just seasonal. So I will start with the skirts, and I have this skirt that is seasonal. This one I consider all year, so I will leave it at the front. Then this one consider all year, so again leave it at the front. So I'll put this one on top of that. And then lastly, the last skirt is this one. This is definitely spring summer. You cannot wear this all year round, although I have in the past because let's face it, I love the spring summer collections and I love flowers. I will leave that at the front as well. Then I have my shorts. I do have two shorts in the back here that are considered summer shorts because of the thinness of the fabric, and I will bring that towards the front. And then I will bring this one towards the back. And although the fabric could be worn all year round, the color to me screams autumn winter. Then I have these shorts that I consider all year because they have a little bit of thickness to them, nothing too crazy, but something I can definitely wear all year. And I will bring that to the front. And then these are definitely winter shorts, so these will also go towards the back. Again, just because they're going towards the back now doesn't mean I won't grab for them if we still have cold weather. It's just making it easier to grab spring clothes versus winter clothes. I was staring at the pants and I still almost forgot about the pants. I like to hang the pants, and that is just so that once they're ironed, they are ironed. Even if I wear them once, they're not going to be too wrinkly, and if they are, I can easily iron them again where it's needed. So it doesn't necessarily need to be ironed all over. And keep it like so. And yes, I keep my pants color coordinated as well. And when I say color coordinated, I usually mean like white, beige, orange, no, yellow, orange, pink, red, green, blue, purple, brown, purple, black, I don't know. I don't have purple, so this is the best I can do right now. And yes, if you have seen through the whole video that I have a pair of shoes here, they need to be wiped down because I wore these the other day and they got a little bit of rainwater on them, so they just need a little wash with a paper towel and some water. Now I do have my winter boots here and I want to bring them towards the back, and then my spring summer shoes towards the front. So I have my high heels here, and I don't wear these that much because I wore them one summer in Spain and I didn't wear pantyhose or nylon stockings, and my feet swell up so much that they widen the shoes, so these shoes are too wide for me now, but I keep them just in case if I gain weight for some reason or get wider feet. Keep them because they're cute and they're comfortable. So because of that, I think I want to keep them behind so they're easily accessible, but they're not in front because I don't grab for them at all. proper shoe collection video, I will definitely do that, or handbag collection. Can definitely do that for you if that's something you would want, because I have a lot more shoes than this. I have some in the closet behind the camera, and I have some over there at the end. I don't usually move those around because they are color coordinated and they're with my handbags. So these are just the shoes that I grab for the most. These are shoes that I grab for less, and they are kind of mixed season because they're color coordinated. And then behind the camera, that's where I keep my high black winter boots and my other shoes, the red ones, and some other shoes that I don't wear that much, but they're more sentimental value. But this is how I rotate the closet from one season to the next. Let me know in the comments if there is any questions that you have according to my organization, if there are any tips that I could give you, or if you have tips for me, definitely tell me. And if you want to know more about my shoes and see the whole collection, or my handbags, or something else that you're really interested in seeing, let me know in the comments. And thank you so much for watching.